Highlighting and underlining passages is one of the simplest tasks you can perform in the Gospel Library app. But developing an effective highlighting system can be far more difficult. Today we're going to look at some strategies that you can use when marking your scriptures and how the advanced marking options in the Gospel Library app can help. Let's open to Helaman 5. One of the primary purposes of marking a passage of text is to draw attention to a specific point. Switching between the highlight and underline options and using multiple colors in your scriptures can help you to do just that. Let's try it out on verse 6. As I read it to you, look for any words that stand out to you as being important. Behold, I have given unto you the names of your first parents who came out of the land of Jerusalem. And this I have done, that when you remember your names, ye may remember them. And when you remember them, ye may remember their works. And when you remember their works, ye may know how that it is said, and also written, that they were good. Perhaps you notice that the word remember appears 6 times in that verse. As you can see, I've already underlined the passage in red, but I want to emphasize the word remember. So I'm going to mark that word using a different approach. To do that, I'll simply hold my finger down on the word remember and select the mark icon from the toolbar. Since the last marking I made was a red underline, the app will default to that marking approach. But since I want this word to really stand out, I'm going to select the Style button. This allows me to change the marking style and color. In this case, I'm going to select Highlight and Green. As you can see, my original red underline remains, but now the word remember clearly stands out. Actually, the word remember shows up 15 different times in Helaman 5. So I'm going to go through and highlight each of them in green to make sure that I can easily see the pattern next time I read the chapter. If you want to try the skill yourself, text the word mark below, and I'll send you a passage to practice on. Let's change it up a little bit. Choose a color and marking method, and mark what you think is the most important word in each verse. There's not really a right or wrong answer. The goal is simply to help you see new things as you read the scriptures. Again, text the word mark below, and I'll send you that passage. Good luck.